It's day 3 of Pintober and I cannot believe I am still braiding. Anyhow, so as you can see here, I am doing a side braid, a very tiny side braid, maybe in 2 or 3 or 4 times on this side. And then what I'll do now is I will just grab a tiny hair on the side, just like so, not grabbing another hair on, you know, the opposite side. So see, just grabbing a hair there and then braiding it, not grabbing a piece of hair on that side, and doing that one more time. See, I'm not grabbing a piece of hair from that side alone. And then this is where I will grab another hair, but this time I'm grabbing a very tiny hair from the opposite side and not dragging the entire hair to that tiny little braid that I made. It creates sort of like an illusion of side swept kind of hair, and it looks really cute. And you can see here from this angle that I am grabbing a piece of hair from that area and then grabbing a piece of hair there, but not grabbing all of the hair, so I'm leaving some hair in the middle. And I just like that effect. It looks very, very effortless, and I thought that this hairstyle will complement a lot of girls. And I had a lot of compliments from other mommies when they saw her hair. Again, the compliment is really for me because I was the one that did the hairstyle, but of course my daughter was happy that she got a lot of compliments as well. But she doesn't really understand. But I hope you guys do the same thing with your daughter. I would definitely recommend this hairstyle. Be sure to follow the pin that I got this from, the inspiration that I got this from, and do modifications if it required. If your daughter's hair length is not the same as mine, or not the same as Pinterest, because definitely the Pinterest is not similar to this hairstyle. But I tried my best and I think I liked it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow for another braiding Pintober.